Morning traders, welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live show, we'll be looking at the Nasdaq 100 index from a QQQ ETF trading perspective, as well as the S&P 500 index using the Spider ETF, and together with the TQQ and UPRO, which is the 3 times leveraged ETFs of the QQQ and the Spider. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller, and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. As mentioned, we're going to look at the Nasdaq 100 and the Spider S&P 500 index using the Spider and the QQQ. Now, we use 4 artificial intelligence engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, all 4 of these cater for different type trading styles, whether you're a swing trader or a position trader. These 4 artificial intelligence engines cater for those different time frames. Now, just briefly, quick tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works. The AI explores 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations on average of stock market indicators and market relationships. Now, basically, what the AI does is it takes all available technical indicators and tests this with all available different settings, and then keeps those indicators and indicator combinations that lead to high probability trade setups. Now, the AI uses genetic algorithm technology to do that, neural networks and fuzzy logics as well. So the end result is we have a few artificial intelligence engine trading strategies that are simply the high probability trades. We've reduced the number of technical indicators we need to use because the AI simply tested and retested and tested and retested all available technical indicators, all available trading strategies, and these are the high probability trade setups using artificial intelligence. Now, the AI runs on the MetaStock platform, and it's the Fulgent AI engine that we use. Let's jump straight into the Fulgent AI MetaStock platform. So I've loaded the MetaStock charts. I've got the Fulgent AI engine on here. Just maximize the picture here. Here's the S&P 500 index, and we can see we've had some really great signals here. The most recent is a fantastic volatility breakout here, this big sell-off here, and that generated quite a couple of points trading the S&P itself, whether it was the S&P futures or not. Looking at the 4-hour chart, now the AI is not trained on 4 hours. We look at the daily, but we use the concept of fractal mathematics, where the intraday pricing in a lot of cases look the same as the daily. There's a volatility breakout here on the 4-hour one as well, and on the hourly one we'll see what's going on there. Volatility breakout there, just wait for this to refresh. Yeah, we've got a major market reversal and a volatility breakout signal, so we captured that entire move there. So absolutely fantastic performance using the AI trading the index itself, and if you were trading the index futures, you can use the AI for that purpose. Now, just to recap, the AI that we're using is, let me just load it. The AI that we're using is trained on the QQQ and Spider ETFs. It's on average 78% accurate over the since the inception of these indices, but we've gone back further to test the Spider, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, so we've looked at thousands and thousands of data points. So the trading strategy, major market reversal strategy, is on average 78% accurate with average profit per trade 6.6%. The quick move swing trade strategy is 71% accurate with an average profit per trade of 1.3%. The swing trade strategy is another fantastic multi-day position strategy for the swing trader, is 71% accurate with 3.8% average profit per trade. And the volatility breakout trading strategy is 52% accurate with 1.2% average profit per trade. Now, that's over thousands and thousands of data points, and these are quite high trading statistics considering we're trading indices. Right, let's go back to the Nasdaq 100 index. You can see the market did miss the big sell-off. There was a sell signal up here, so you did miss the whole big drop. And then we had a volatility breakout there that got stopped out, and the second one worked out, so we're back up again, and the AI will most likely bring up the trailing stop of 13.1 back up to these levels there. Will be interesting to see where it's going to be, but so far so good. Caught the Nasdaq 100 using AI if you were trading the future there, for example. Now let's go back to the Spider ETF, and we'll review the S&P 500 in a second. Just maximize that. You can see we've had plenty of great volatility breakout trades in the market, and we now had a really nice big volatility trade with this big sell-off, and we're back up here. So the upside targets would be the old resistance levels here these lows there, that would be a new zone to look out for, but easy going up until about above the 4,500, 4,550. That's the upside targets for this current rally, together with the old highs there. Will be interesting to see if it's going to maintain upward momentum, but we have a very wide stop loss here. I suspect the AI will update it as the market progresses higher. But fantastic trade on the S&P 500 Spider ETF. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart. Using the end of day AI, we see if it's intelligent enough to identify some trades on the 4-hour basis. We've got a volatility breakout there as well on that. So also fantastic signals on the 4-hour chart for the Spider. Let's just see this refreshes. Volatility breakout, major market reversal. Also fantastic trades on the hourly one as well. You also did miss a big drop there using the artificial intelligence engine. So far so good. Trading the S&P 500 Spider ETF, very profitable trading it using artificial intelligence. Using the 3 times leveraged UPRO, S&P 500 ETF is 3 times leveraged. Also fantastic volatility breakout signal here, and you can see very wide stop loss here, but absolutely fantastic signal. You also did miss the big drop in January sell-off, as artificial intelligence got you out right there, literally within the first week of January, sensing that there is a possible sell-off coming in the market, so the AI missed the big drop. But so far so good, using the artificial intelligence to trade these leveraged ETF and the Spider ETF. Right, turning to the Nasdaq QQQ. I'll minimize that one so we get bigger windows here. We can see here we had a fantastic signal on the QQQ as well. Volatility breakout here. And it's been going very well since we had that buy signal. You also had a sell signal up here at the top, so you did miss the entire drawdown in January. There was a volatility buy signal there in and around these lows there, but that got stopped out. But we pretty much had a quick reversal, and a new signal was generated literally as it sliced through the trailing stop. Very wide stop loss. By tomorrow, the AI will most likely update the stop loss to bring it in line with the volatility reduction, and also to move it slightly higher as we now track our profits to the upside. This old low there, which is a significant support zone, these are key levels to watch out for potential upside targets, as well as that level there. So these are the upside targets in the current rally. But so far so good. We generating some fantastic profits using the artificial intelligence engine, trading the QQQ and Spider. And if we just review the TQQ, which is the 3 times leverage ETF, you now have the same signal on there as a volatility breakout there, and also you did miss the big drop in the correction in January using artificial intelligence. So far so good, absolutely fantastic using the AI. Let's go and just take a look at the intraday on the QQQ just to see what the signals are there. 4-hour, let's go and see if there's any signals on the 4-hour chart. What are the most recent ones on the 4-hour? Takes a couple of seconds to load. Refresh, there we go. So there's a swing trade to the upside there, volatility breakout and swing trade, so fantastic there. Nice signal, very wide stop loss, and that stop loss has now been moved up to that zone there. The swing trade stop loss is now at 347, so keep a note of that. And then the hourly one, let's go and take a look at the hourly QQQ trading, how that panned out. Volatility breakout, major market reversal. Now the major market reversal is really a nice one to trade. They don't happen that often, but they do result in some good strong profits in this case. But volatility breakout, nice move there. Major market reversal, nice move there on the hourly chart. So far so good. The AI works both on the daily, 4-hour and hourly time frames for trading the QQQ and the TQQ ETF, leveraged ETF. So far so good, staying on the right side of the market using artificial intelligence. Now we know we have these signals that are consistently quite profitable. We have tested them since the inception of each index, so we know, using all available technical indicators, that we've tested with every possible setting and every possible scenario. So we are taking great comfort that this trading system will generate high probability trades using artificial intelligence. Now, this is the end of today's presentation. Thanks for watching. If anybody wants to get your hand on your own AI, hang on for the next section. And for my regular viewers, thanks for watching, and join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform.